Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we will look back at the 1977 American TV series, The Love Boat. We will revisit the cast of the TV series, and we'll find out what happened to them. I will also tell you some interesting trivia facts about the show which you probably did not know, so let's jump right into it. Gavin MacLeod died at the age of 90 years in 2021 from undisclosed causes. Kopell was 44 years in 1977 and is 89 years old in 2023. This series was based upon Geraldine Saunders' novel titled The Love Boats. She wrote the book from her personal observations while serving as a hostess on a cruise ship. Lange was 29 years in 1977 and is 75 years old in 2023. Grandy was 29 years in 1977 and is 74 years old in 2023. Two Princess Cruise Line ships regularly appeared as the Pacific Princess in the show. In addition to the real Pacific Princess, her sister ship, the Island Princess, stood in at times, although since the pools on the aft deck were different it was easy to tell which ship was which. Both ships changed ownership several times after the show ended, and were finally scrapped as of 2014 to 2015. Tewes was 23 years in 1977 and is 69 years old in 2023. Whelan was 10 years in 1977 and is 56 years old in 2023. The former Pacific Princess was scrapped in 2013 at a Turkish ship recycling yard on the Aegean coast. She was 42 years old and was decommissioned in 2008. The Izmir Ship Recycling Company acquired the former cruise ship for €2.5 million. McGinley was 19 years in 1977 and is 64 years old in 2023. Tori was 12 years in 1977 and is 58 years old in 2023. Gavin MacLeod, Kopell, and Lange are the only actors to appear in every episode of the series. Ross was 48 years in 1977 and is 94 years old in 2023. Was 26 years in 1977 and is 71 years old in 2023. At the show's height, Kopell earned $39,500 per episode,